Hey guys, make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake people make when replacing fuses relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Mercedes E Class. We're talking about that generation from year 2010 to year 2016. This is known as generation Mercedes E Class W212. If you need to find guys where the fuel injection system fuses are located, you have multiple fuses in different fuse boxes. We will explain where you can buy them, where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, and why it's important to always test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Now, if you have a Mercedes E-Class, that generation from year 2010 to year 2016-17 guys, this is the W212 guys. We're going to have a video for every single fuse relay on that car, why things do not work, why we're making this one, because we're trying to save you time and money guys. Let's say you're down the road in the middle of nowhere, your car does not start, you need to find where your engine starter fuse relay is located guys, where you can find fuel injection system fuses, fuel pump fuses. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch that video, 1-2 minutes, you're back on the road guys. In addition, we'll share where you can buy cheap parts and tools, that way you do not waste your money and time. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make guys at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix mechanical, electrical, engine work guys, body work, a little bit of everything. And we have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our channels that can save you thousands of dollars guys in free repair videos. Check it out if you need help with that. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So now guys, let's go ahead and explain where you can find the fuel injection system fuses. We will demonstrate on this generation Mercedes E-Class. This is the pre-facelifted model, this is the facelifted model. It will work for both. We have multiple fuse boxes, and today guys, for the fuel injection system, we'll be working in 2 fuse boxes. We'll check 2, 4, 6, 8 fuses. The first one, you need to open the hood. Once you open the hood, on the driver's side you have a fuse box right here next to the brake reservoir. So open that cover there, you'll find that engine fuse box layout here. Before we continue, let's explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So it is super important guys to always test fuses and relays, and something else as well, common mistakes people make. Sometimes you may think that a fuse is good, or you cannot actually see if the fuse is clearly burned, and in that case guys, you may put the fuse back together and you may end up spending money and time on parts you don't need, and all we had to do is just test the fuse. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below how to test the fuse. It takes only a few seconds to find out for sure if it's good or bad. The same thing for relays guys, okay? Some of those could be really expensive on cars, so we'll put a link in the description of the video below how you can test relays. And for some certain fuses guys, it's important to disconnect the car battery when removing them, otherwise you can burn the electronics. And for instance, working on airbags, fuses or anything like that, you need to wait at least 1 hour after disconnecting the car battery. And if you're not qualified and certified to work on airbag system, I will never recommend to do that guys. But when disconnecting the car battery guys, okay, common mistake people make, it's important to know which battery terminal you reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can burn electronics modules. How we know about that? We burn before the traction control module on BMW that cost us $2,000 guys. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below which battery terminal to disconnect first. Check it out for your convenience. So now guys, if you need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, relays, fuel pump, fuel injectors at a really good price and quick shipping, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. That way you do not waste your money and time. For the fuel injection system, if we start here, next to every fuse you have a number. The first one that you need to check is fuse number 4. We're talking about this fuse here. Then fuse number 6 will need to be checked. After that, you don't stop here. You will need to check fuse number 23, that 20 amp fuse here. Okay. After that, we need to check fuse number 24 next to it. And next, we'll need to check fuse number 27, this one here. Next, you need to check fuse number 34, right there. After that, you need to open the trunk. Once you open the trunk, right here, on the right side under Discover, you have the trunk fuse box. Open that one, you will find that layout here. Here we need to check fuse number 42, which is that fuse right here, fuse number 42. And then you need to check fuse number 89, talking about this fuse here. Now, if you have problems with the fuel pump or the fuel system control unit, we have videos about relays and fuses for the fuel pump, fuel system control unit, and fuel injection system. Check it out, it will be on the channel. Hopefully the video will be helpful, and see you guys next time.